All right, Robin, we're back. We never left. RJ's Roti Shop, Niagara Street, Welland, on the pandemic detour. We've been having some really different, unique flavors going on here. LJ's Roti Shop. When I first came in here a little while ago, talking to Philip, one of the owners, family-run business. Super nice people. So far the foods are good, great. And our next food up is probably the one that I was most looking forward to. It's at the bottom of the bag. We've got ourselves a jerk chicken with veggie chow mein. $10.99. No, yeah, $10.99. These prices are very, very reasonable. You get a lot of food. Woo! Look at this. Look at this. I don't even feel like I'm on Niagara Street in Welland right now. We're going savage, babe. This is savage, son. This is savage. The utensil's in my pocket and it's staying there. This is bonus review, this one right here. Jerk chicken. You want to take a look at this ripping apart? Look at this bad boy. Oh my. Let's see. I've never wanted to say the number 10 so quickly in my life. Do you see how easy this meat's just happening? That, ladies and gentlemen, is jerk chicken. You see the chicken just falling away? That is amazing. There's still more meat there, but I just gotta see.
You better be saving me some.
I think I'm gonna have to order you some. What's going on back there? Is there something going on?
I was looking at the sign and they close at 7.
Close at 7? I'm gonna say this right now. I'm gonna try this chow mein. I've had jerk chicken a few times in my life. This is the best one I've ever had. This one's got a little kick to it. Jerk's got a little bit of kick in it, eh? Do I got stuff on my face?
On your face and your teeth.
Face, teeth, don't matter. Pandemic detour, we're making happenings. So let's see. Some veggie chow mein. Let's see what this is about. It's nice. I'm gonna see how it goes with the piece of the jerk chicken. Chow mein is good. The chicken's amazing. Babe, what's the chow mein need a little bit of?
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
But you were offered it. You turned it down.
I was offered the hot sauce. I said no, thank you. I'm really just like eyeing up the chicken and wanting to go back to it, but I'm worried I'm gonna eat it without you trying it. And then I think I might be walking home. All right. There is a little spice in the jerk. So the only thing I can say here, chow mein, I'm sure they make it here. One thing, I'm feeling like the veggies might be frozen. They look like frozen carrot bean to me. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But the noodles are good. I'm going back. The chicken, you heard what I said when I first started. It blew my mind right when I took the bite. The star of this dish is the chicken, 1,000,000%. The chicken is upper level. Chow mein is good. Nine two. The chicken is almost perfect. I don't know how you get a better chicken. I really don't. It would have been higher if I liked the chow mein just a little more. That's my personal opinion, but I don't know anybody that could eat that chicken and not like it. You'd have to be batshit crazy not to love that chicken. It's unreal. I'm gonna let Robin try it so we can do the last review. That jerk chicken is amazing, and that's a review.